Introduction to IoT. The Internet of Things, or IoT, refers to a network of interconnected devices that communicate and exchange data. Project overview. Our project will involve a temperature sensor connected to a Raspberry Pi. We'll write a Python script to read data from the sensor and send it to a server. Hardware requirements. You'll need a Raspberry Pi, a temperature sensor, and a basic understanding of electronics. Setting up the Raspberry Pi. First, set up your Raspberry Pi. Sensor integration. Connect your temperature sensor to the Raspberry Pi. Writing the Python script. Now, let's write the Python script. We'll import necessary libraries, initialize the sensor, read data, and send it to our server. Testing the system. Once your script is ready, it's time to test. Run your script and check if the temperature data is correctly being sent to the server. Troubleshooting tips: if your sensor isn't responding, first check your connections. Loose or incorrect wiring is a frequent culprit. Also, ensure that you've selected the correct GPIO pins in your script. Getting erratic or incorrect sensor data? This could be due to a faulty sensor or interference. Make sure the sensor is not damaged and is placed in a suitable environment away from potential interference. Applications of IoT. Your IoT device has endless possibilities. From smart homes to industrial applications, the sky's the limit. Congratulations on building your first IoT project with Python. Remember, this is just the beginning. With IoT, your creativity is the only limit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials.